Welcome to Jam That Life music channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more inspiring music. Music you'll only find right here.
Sunrise fade, the zinc roof go. Lunch kit in a small land, story yet untold. 10-year-old daughter can't walk home alone, 'cause hearts grown cold for the price of a phone. Sirens mix with the vendor's morning cry. Mothers learn to smile so the children won't cry. We lace up courage like old school shoes. Step in faith though the evening news brews.
We're spinning through a season of indifferent eyes. Conscience anesthetized, mercy rationed in line. If love is law, then Father legislate. Rewrite this headline before it's too late.
Father, are you on your way? Put daylight in these shadowed lanes, I pray.
Guide us home, guide us home.
Set a fire in the hearts of stone. Father, don't delay. Give the innocent a safer day.
Guide us home,
Till peace sits down on every throne. Guide us, guide us. Clocking hope with the bus stop, him praying every goodbye ain't the last of him. Even food on the shelf can betray the soul. Poison in the labels, profit in control. Classroom doors lock and lessons shake. Chalk dust mixing with a quiet quake. Pastors preaching while pockets swell. When the flock can't shop and the tiders can't dwell.
How do we raise a child in a crossfire dawn, when kindness is taxed and the fear runs long? If justice sleeps, Father, shake the bed. Wake the living and count the dead.
Father, are you on your way? Put daylight in these shadowed lanes, I pray.
Guide us home.
Turn the trigger thoughts to telephone. Father, don't delay. Teach the violent to unlearn their rage.
Guide us home.
Write your covenant on our bones. For every mother stitching grief at night, for every father faking brave to fight, cramp and paralyze the hands that harm. Return the sword to a farmer's arm. Let markets feed and not defraud. Let pulpits mirror the heart of God. If what goes round must come again, let mercy circle every lane. Guide we home. Hide we home. I've seen candles on the curb where the children play. Names on the asphalt, the rain can't fade.
Yet somewhere a dove rehearses peace, and every chain remembers how to cease.
Father, are you on your way? Lay sunrise on this trembling clay.
Guide us home.
Teach the city a softer tone. Father, don't delay. Let love be
Hey everyone, I just want to take a moment to say thank you to all my amazing YouTube subscribers. Your support means the world, and I truly appreciate every single like, every comment, and every share. I'll keep bringing you great music, but all I ask in return is this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kind of music you'd love to hear next, and help spread the word. Share the channel with your friends and family so we can keep this movement growing together. We'll keep the vibes alive. Thank you once again. Much love and respect.